I'm Mariana with Mailchimp. In this video, you'll learn how to create a survey. Mailchimp surveys help you receive valuable feedback from your contacts and others who might be interested in your brand. It's a great tool to help you understand your audience and their changing needs and perceptions. They're easy to share on the web or in Mailchimp campaigns so people can engage with them immediately. You can also apply tags to existing contacts and collect email addresses to further grow your audience. Mailchimp offers a few ways to create surveys and collect responses from your audience. You can create a hosted survey form and share them from your social posts, emails, or anywhere on the web. And this option allows you to reply to survey responses through the Mailchimp inbox, add a hosted survey to your customer journey builder, and view responses in the mobile app. Responses are tied to your audience, so you can automatically tag people based on their responses. And today, I want to create a hosted survey so that I can know which kind of indoor plants are a favorite among my customers. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. So, to create a survey, I'll navigate to the audience icon and click Surveys. Then I'll click Create New Survey. In the next step, I'll add questions to my survey. When I click Add a Section, it'll open the question builder. Here I can choose an answer type based on how I want my customers to respond. An introduction is used to provide text, image, or video that gives info or adds instructions for your survey. You can add an image or copy and paste the link to your YouTube or Vimeo video, and it will embed in the survey. It's a great way to add a personal touch and works like a text content block, so it doesn't require a question. And radio buttons enable me to create a multiple choice question that allows only one answer. I want to know which type of plant my customers prefer. So I'll type in my question in the What Would You Like to Ask section. Then I'll enter the answers in the text field. And hit enter or return to add more answers. I can also use the plus icon to add an answer or the minus icon if I need to remove it. And on the right, I can use the question settings sidebar to customize each question. And this may look different depending on the question type that's selected. I can change the section type, make the question required, or toggle the other option slider to let users fill in their own answer for the last answer choice. Right? And I can also enable auto tagging, which applies tags to contacts based on their responses. And you must share the survey through a Mailchimp email campaign automation or add new contacts through the survey for tags to apply. Survey auto tagging does not apply with the Share Anywhere anonymous link unless you add an email question type. To choose specific tags, I'll click Manage Tagging and click the drop-down menu under my answer. Then I can choose an existing tag from the list or create a new tag. And I can do this for each answer in my question. Lastly, I can duplicate my question or delete it. Nice. The next answer type is a checkbox, which allows me to create a multiple choice question for multiple answers. Like the radio button option, I just enter the answers in the text field, then use the panel on the right to further customize this field. With open text, respondents will see a text field that allows them to fill in their answers. And with range, I can display numbers, stars, emojis, and hearts on an adjustable scale. The email field lets me ask respondents for their email address if they're not already subscribers. This allows me to identify and tag respondents in my audience or ask them to subscribe to my emails. And the last option is the content block, where I can add text in between questions or at the end of my survey. And now that I have a good mix of questions, I'm ready to style the form to fit my brand. So I'll come up here and click Continue to Design. And I have a few options I can use to customize my form. Under branding, I can add a logo. And if I have a paid plan, I can choose to remove the Mailchimp badge. And when I click Custom Messaging, I can add and edit the description. Change the Submit button label. And update the confirmation message. I can also add a closed survey message. And an error message for required questions. Under styles, I can edit my survey background and button colors. This looks good to me, so I'll click Review to continue. On the Review Your Settings page, I'll click Edit Survey Name to give the survey a title. And this is for internal organizations, so it won't be visible to respondents. Next, I'll click the audience drop-down and select my audience. And if you're not sending the campaign via a Mailchimp campaign or automation, select the audience you want new contacts to be subscribed to. All right, and the survey must have an email field in order to subscribe new contacts. Under Settings, I can choose Reply to Survey Feedback with Inbox to see and reply to responses in my Mailchimp inbox. And I can click the Daily Summary toggle to get daily email summaries of new responses to my survey. And when I'm done, I'll click Continue. Nice. Now my survey is live and it's time to promote it. I have a few options for sharing my survey. I can share in a campaign or automation, which creates a link to add in Mailchimp email campaigns and automations. And this is recommended for one-off surveys or recurring surveys. I can also choose to share anywhere, which creates a link to send via website, text, chat, or non-Mailchimp emails. With this option, anonymous responses will be tracked if a respondent's email was requested. It works well for internal employee feedback, website feedback, order forms, chatbots, or when adding new contacts. Lastly, I can share it on Facebook or Twitter, and these options will draft a post with a link to the survey. And if I scroll down further, I can see my survey settings and I can view my results as they come in. And if I want to view a detailed breakdown of survey responses, I can either click on a specific question or scroll back to the top and click View Report. And that's it. You've learned how to create a survey. So for more information, check out our guides and tutorials.